Here are the new kiddos. We got 3 so far. Got many more underneath that haven't hatched yet. These guys are so far 3 days old. Not sure how many more will be hatching, but we'll see. Oh, hi, little peeps. Hi, little peeps. You're so cute. Hey, Mama Bougie. No more babies. It's official. No more have hatched, but these 3 are doing great. That's all right. There you go. I'm not gonna hurt them. Look at all the ones we still have left to hatch. Hey, chickies. Gotta get your stuff cleaned out. You buried your water and your food. Gotta get that all cleaned up. All right. Just wanted to get you in the shot before. And here we are, first day out of the coop. Mama went straight to death's bathe. Little chickies are here. I'm so excited. We still have 3. We'll see if we get any more. The eggs are still there. I'm not going to take them out. I'll leave them in there for another 2 weeks. And we'll see how this goes. My first chickies that have hatched in my coop. There goes Mama Bougie and her babies. We'll see how many hens and hopefully no roosters.
It's been a while. It's been a while.